A portable air compressor is a convenient means to keep your car's tires properly inflated. Maintaining the right tire pressure is not only a matter of safety but can help improve fuel economy and save money in the long run. We've tested several types of portable air compressors, from lightweight Pancake compressors to handheld tire inflators. Here are the best air compressors according to our testers. Number 1. CRAFTSMAN CMEC 6150K Air Compressor. The CRAFTSMAN CMEC 6150K air compressor can hold 6 gallons at a time. It is a pancake shape, so it is easy to store it and move it around. The shape makes it quite a bit more stout, which makes it easier to store it under tables and that sort of thing. It is oil-free, so there is very little maintenance required. This feature also increases the lifespan of the pump, with a max 150 psi. This machine is about as powerful as other options on the market. It can do most jobs that require an air compressor. It can refill very quickly as well. After the tank has been emptied, another feature that is pretty common among higher-end machines, we did like that this machine starts up quickly in cold weather. Though, with tons of different accessories, this air compressor has everything you need to do practically any job. It comes with a PVC air hose with a coupler and plug assembly, a tire chuck, blow gun, tire gauge, and 3 inflator adapters. Truthfully, this is one of the more complete air compressors on the market. Keep in mind that while it does have 2 air outlets for hooking up 2 different tools at once, it might not have the volume to run them both at the same time. Pros: lightweight, compact construction, large 6-gallon tank, pancake shape for easy storage, plenty of accessories included. Cons: quality control mishaps are common. Number 2, Porter Cable C2002 Pancake Air Compressor. Measuring only 19 inches long by 18 inches wide by 20 and 94 inches high and weighing only about 30 pounds, the Porter Cable C2002 Pancake Air Compressor is quite easy to store and carry. Even if you already have another compressor in your garage, this compact air compressor from Porter Cable will fit nicely at home without eating up space. You can even put it away in the box to keep everything neat and organized. It goes back into the box so easily, although it has a fairly small footprint. The Porter Cable Pancake design tank holds 6 gallons of air and can put out a maximum air pressure of 150 psi. This is enough volume and air pressure to power your air tools throughout your small project at home. It is also enough to inflate the tires of your car or truck. The Porter Cable UMC Pancake compressor starts up quickly and all fittings create a tight seal to prevent any air leaks. It is equipped with replaceable brushes to keep the motor in good condition for a long time. The unit is also very easy to maintain because it operates on an oil-free pump. In fact, the key characteristics that make it stand out are low weight, compact design, sturdiness, and long life. It can be a great source of compressed air for applications around the house. Number 3, Bostitch BTFP3 KIT Air Compressor. We sent this capable air compressor to one of our product testers, who put it to a real-world test rebuilding a deck, and praised the set as a great introduction to air-driven tools. He noted that the Bostitch compressor fills up fairly quickly. On average, I waited about 6 minutes for the compressor to reach 140 psi from 0. From there, I could use the separate pressure outlet regulator to deliver the pressure I needed as specified for each tool. He also appreciated how well it maintained pressure, and its overall ease of use. The kit includes a 6-gallon compressor, 18-gauge brad nailer, 3/8-inch crown stapler, and 16-gauge finish nailer. The compressor's oil-free electric motor is rated for a maximum of 150 psi and durable enough to last a long time. The high-efficiency air compressor motor is designed to easily start up even in cold weather. The included 15-foot air hose also makes it easy to use outdoors around the yard. At 29 pounds, this compressor is also one of the lightest options on this list, so you can tote it to your work site without straining your back. Pros: high pressure from smaller compressor, comes with multiple accessories, built-in sturdy carrying handle, reliable performance. Cons: might be a bit expensive. Number 4, DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor. As a compressor from a well-known and well-trusted name in the world of tools, the DEWALT Pancake Air Compressor is a solid option. This air compressor uses an electric motor and has a lower-than-average noise output. It's a highly efficient machine with an oil-free pump, meaning it doesn't require the same level of maintenance. It has features, such as high-flow regulators, to optimize the tool's efficiency. At just 30 pounds, it's also easy to maneuver. I've had a few air compressors over the years and used them for car repairs, furniture building, upholstery, household projects, etc., wrote one reviewer. the DEWALT 6-gallon 165 psi air compressor is a well-built, high-quality machine that will fulfill almost any need for the homeowner or contractor doing smaller projects. Actually, I could see a contractor using this compressor in the field when they need the compressor to be closer and smaller. It's ready for any job site, no matter what stage of construction it's in. Pros: sits securely on rough, uneven surfaces, 2 universal couplers, lightweight for its size. Cons: small motor for its size. Number 5, California Air Tools 1P1060S Portable Air Compressor. California Air Tools lightweight, hot dog-shaped air compressor moves easily from job to job. This compressor provides up to 120 psi of pressure at 1-2 CFM with its 0.6 HP motor. For an accessible price, this air compressor handles most DIY tasks with ease. The oil-free electric motor operates quietly enough for safe indoor use. A 1-gallon tank stores the air needed for nail guns and tire inflation, though it will cycle on and off. California Air Tools compressor does not provide the air needed for sanding, grinding, or painting. This model is great for inflating tires and other items and powering finish and pin nailers or small airbrushes. However, with only 1-2 CFM and a small 1-gallon capacity air tank, don't expect this unit to power larger air tools other than nailers with small CFM consumption rates. The CAT 1P1060S operates on a mere 4-5 amps, enabling you to plug it in almost anywhere around the house, outside or in the garage. Pros: portable and lightweight construction, quiet operating volume, built-in padded carrying handle, 250-hour life cycle. Cons: smaller tank capacity than comparable models.